Hi Year 6 and welcome to Wednesday's reading lesson. Now, just as the rest of this week, today we are going to focus and reflect on wholes, and you've got a bit of a different independent activity to get on with. So it's going to be a short video from me and then time to go and get creative and have a go at the task that I've set you. So first of all, I want you to think about how you would explain the story of wholes to a friend. So if you were recommending it, you might think about the summary you put on your book review yesterday, but pause the video and come up with a short way of explaining the book to a friend with your words. Okay, so hopefully you've had a thought about how you would explain a book to a friend, and today's activity is going to be all about explaining the book and recommending the book. Now, you've got a bit of a different activity to have a go at today, and you can approach it in various different ways. So I'm going to introduce it and then I'm going to set you off to have a go and look forward to see what you come back with. So today you are going to make a book trailer. Now, you might not have heard of a book trailer before, but you've probably heard of a film trailer. So if you can remember back to when we were allowed to go to the cinema, I know it feels like a long time ago. If you went to watch a film, at the beginning of the film, you would have lots of trailers, which are like little adverts, little previews of new films that were coming out. So you are going to do the same for a book. Okay, so you're going to do like a little preview, a little promotional clip to promote the book. Okay, imagining that it's just been released. Now, you can do this in various different ways. I don't mind, you can get creative with it. So you could create a promotional video, you could do a slideshow or like a PowerPoint presentation, and you're just going to advertise wholes. So you might do it as a video of yourself advertising it. You might put some pictures in a slideshow and some words to advertise it. You might make up some quotes of things that people have said about it. But you're going to have to explain the story a little bit. You might even act it out. You might get yourself and your family or just yourself acting out a little bit of wholes and film it as if it's a movie trailer. Or it might just be you talking about it and promoting it. You might have some pictures that sum up bits of things that happen in the books flashing through on a slideshow or a PowerPoint presentation. So you can get completely creative with it. If you don't have access to the technology to do that kind of thing, the videos or the slideshows, then you can just make a promotional poster like this one here. So this poster here is to promote a book, and so it has a little bit of a summary, it has a picture of the book, and it has pictures around the side that represent the book, and then it has some kind of recommendation down at the bottom. So don't worry if you haven't got the technology to get creative with it, you can do your own promotional poster. Now, there's some hints and tips here about making a really good book trailer, and you can look online, Google children's book trailers, and you can find some as examples, okay? But it suggests keeping it just like a movie trailer, have a beginning, middle and end, introduce your characters, introduce a bit of a twist, get them thinking that there's going to be a twist that's going to be exciting, and then let them know where they can buy the book. It needs to be quite short, so this recommends under a minute, okay? So grab your reader's attention and explain it nice and concisely. And then it should match the tone of the book. So your trailer should feel like how the book is to read. So don't make it completely different. It needs to match up to the book, which is probably an obvious point, okay? So I really look forward to seeing what you get up to. Get creative, get on your iPads or whatever if you've got them, if you've got different apps that you could use. Get on PowerPoint on your computer if you've got it for presentation, or get creative designing your own promotional poster. Remember to send them across once you have finished, because we would love to see them. Thank you for joining today's lesson.